Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to a much needed update on Jito. All right, I covered this, I think, 3 days ago. And then we already talked about the possibility of this. All right. I think I said back then that it was most likely that we would stay in the previous market structure, which was very much a consolidation, at least on the smaller time frames. That's what I said, but what I also said, and you can just look that up, and I think some of you also took that trade, so congratulations. What I said is that the main level to break is 2.15, and we broke that on Thursday evening, and since then, I would say Jito has actually turned quite bullish. I mean, if you just look at the technicals, you could say that this is maybe some sort of a bearish flag, right? So that we have a big uptrend. It's a pretty steep flag, I would say, but that we have a bit of a flag here and that will continue down. It's still a possibility, to be fair with you. But there's a lot to be bullish about. I mean, the EMAs have flipped, all right? So Jito is now on top of all of the EMAs, and we're also respecting them. We're reacting to them. So that's an indication that there is some more bullish momentum for Jito. And then there's more to be happy about. All right, because if you look at Jito, there already was quite a lot of momentum and open interest build up during this phase when it found support at 1.5, all right? So then it already started building up some momentum, and that broke out on Thursday, all right? Here you can see, I mean, the open interest has just been increasing. And at this moment, I mean, in the last 30 minutes to 60 minutes or so, the open interest has dropped down a bit, but it's by far not enough to say that there's not momentum anymore in Jito. I think it's the opposite. I think Jito still has a lot of momentum. I'm a little bit scared of Jito because we have seen it fall a lot in the last couple of weeks, even though the market circumstances, I mean, they were not ideal, but at some points of time, I mean, the market circumstances were great and Jito was bearish. All right, so I have mixed feelings on Jito, but right now the thing is that the Solana ecosystem is doing pretty well. Jito just broke above this major resistance level at 2.5. The open interest is still growing, and then Jito itself, when we talk about the platform, its total value locked is doing fine. I mean, it's $640 million right now. So I see no reason to be bearish on Jito. What would need to happen for Jito to turn bearish is it would need to drop down now and drop down below 2.35, which, given its history, is a possibility. But if that happens, I was wrong, all right? Because it's, well, I mean, it's unexpected. I mean, to me, there's not a lot. I mean, you could make up arguments, but there's not a lot pointing towards this being a possibility, while there is a lot of things pointing towards continuation being the most likely scenario, right? So that Jito finds some sort of a break retest here, and then it starts trending up to $3. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, Jito right now is in a strong uptrend. So what happens, but it is respecting technicals. So what's happening is that Jito will respect the technical levels. So from $3, we'll find resistance there. But if from that resistance, we still hold 2.5 as support, later on, we'll probably also rally up higher towards 3.4, 3.35. All right, so I'm quite bullish on Jito. All right, things can change, and I'll try to keep you updated on that as well as possible. But for now, I see no reason why Jito would not slowly continue going up more. So yeah, those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in my premium and signal group, links will be down in the description. Very valuable, profitable, which is obviously quite important. So check that out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.